Notice of correction for fraud. Introduction. In today's digital age, every app, website, and service comes with a set of terms of service, TOS, or user agreements. These documents are often long, complex, and filled with legal jargon, and most people never read them. Unfortunately, this passive acceptance can lead to legal entanglements, unexpected fees, privacy violations, and even waiving of constitutional rights. The Notice of Correction for Fraud is a simple, legal tool designed to protect individuals from such deceptive practices. It allows users to formally rebut and condition any presumed acceptance of hidden or fraudulent terms. What is the problem? Assumed consent. By clicking I agree, users often unknowingly bind themselves to contracts they never fully read or understood. Lack of transparency. Many TOS documents hide key clauses, such as arbitration waivers, data sharing permissions, or liability limitations, deep within their pages. Unequal bargaining power. The user is given a take it or leave it offer with no room for negotiation. Legal enforceability. Courts have upheld many TOS contracts even when users were unaware of what they were agreeing to. What is a notice of correction? A notice of correction for fraud is a written, notarized, and optionally recorded declaration that rejects fraudulent or misleading contract terms, clarifies that any acceptance was not informed or voluntary, reasserts the rights of the individual, and places the service provider on notice of your legal stance regarding the agreement. Why it works. According to contract law, for a contract to be enforceable, there must be mutual agreement and full disclosure of all terms. If fraud, deception, or lack of full disclosure is involved, the contract is voidable. A notice of correction serves as documented proof that you never gave lawful or informed consent, thus nullifying the presumed agreement. When to use it. After signing up for a service where you were not fully informed. When discovering hidden or deceptive terms after agreeing. If you believe your rights have been violated by a company under the pretense of a TOS. When opting out of terms that were forced upon you. What should be included in the notice? A strong notice of correction for fraud should include your full legal name and contact information, the name of the company or entity, a clear statement that you do not consent to any fraudulent or non-disclosed terms, a declaration that any previous agreement was made under duress, coercion, or lack of full disclosure, a demand to cease any action based on the fraudulent contract, your signature and date, notarization, recommended. Delivery methods, certified mail, with return receipt, email, with delivery/read confirmation, public posting, online publication or affidavit, filing with a notary or county recorder, for added legal standing. Conclusion. Corporations and governments thrive on silent consent. By using a notice of correction for fraud, you reassert your autonomy, expose deceptive practices, and place the burden back on those who tried to manipulate your agreement. Don't remain a silent victim of legal trickery. Correct the record. Protect your rights.